Everyone wants success. Everyone wants to change their life. But most people fail not because success is impossible, but because they believe big results require big actions. They wait for the perfect day, the perfect plan, and the perfect opportunity. And while waiting, their dreams slowly fade away. But what if success is not about giant leaps, but about small steps? What if improving just 1% every day could completely change your life? He was average in everything and tired of failing again and again. No talent, no shortcuts, no miracle, just one small decision. What he did next changed his entire life. This story of 1% improvement might be exactly what you need today. Let me tell you a story about a boy named Ali. Ali was an ordinary student, average in studies, average in sports, average in almost everything. Whenever he compared himself to others, he felt small. His friends scored better, spoke better, and lived with more confidence. Ali tried many times to change himself, but the pressure of becoming perfect overnight always crushed him. He studied hard for 1 week, then gave up. He joined the gym, but quit after 10 days. He tried to wake up early, but failed within 3 days. Every time he failed, he told himself, "Maybe I'm just not good enough." Slowly, he began to believe he was destined to remain average. One day, Ali met his grandfather, who was quietly polishing an old wooden chair in the courtyard. Ali asked, "Grandfather, why do you spend hours polishing this old chair? It will never look new again." His grandfather smiled and said, "Do you see these tiny strokes of polish? They seem small, but each one adds a little shine. Slowly, with patience, the chair will glow again." Ali looked confused. His grandfather continued, "Life is like this chair, my child. You don't need to change everything at once. Just add a little shine every day, one stroke at a time. That is the secret of transformation." These words touched Ali deeply. He decided to apply the 1% rule in his own life. Instead of studying for 3 hours, he started with just 15 minutes, adding only 5 more minutes each day. Instead of running 5 kilometers, he began with 5 push-ups, then added 1 more every day. Instead of trying to become fluent in English overnight, he learned just 5 new words daily. At first, the progress was invisible. No one noticed the change. Even Ali felt like nothing was happening. But after 30 days, his 15 minutes of study turned into 2 hours. His 5 push-ups became 50. His vocabulary grew by 150 new words. Most importantly, his confidence began to shine. Months passed. Ali didn't become a genius overnight, but slowly his classmates started noticing his growth. He answered more questions in class. His body became stronger and healthier. He spoke with clarity and confidence. One day, when Ali stood first in a school debate competition, even his teachers were shocked. They asked him, "How did you change so much?" Ali smiled and replied, "I didn't change all at once. I just became 1% better every day." This is the hidden truth of success. You don't need giant leaps. You need tiny steps. A 1% improvement each day may seem small, but it compounds. In just 1 year, it can make you 37 times better. Think about it. If you read just 10 pages a day, you can finish 12 to 15 books in a year. If you save just $1 a day, you build a strong saving habit that many people never develop while waiting for a big income. Success is not about intensity, it's about consistency. Small actions repeated daily create unstoppable momentum. So if you feel stuck, if you feel average, remember Ali's story. Don't try to change everything in 1 day. Instead, ask yourself, what is one small thing I can do today to become 1% better? Because greatness is not built in a day. Greatness is built daily, one stroke at a time, one step at a time, 1% at a time. And when you look back, you will realize that those tiny steps created the giant leap you always dreamed of. Big success is nothing more than small improvements done consistently. Your 1% today is your 100% tomorrow.